What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the plate lamp assembly on this 2012 Chevy Traverse. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. So the cover has popped off this light assembly, so we need to replace it. What you can do is just push the light assembly forward and pull it out. There's a little spring action right there, and it's clipped in right there. So you can either, if you have just the lens assembly, you could just replace this part, or you can do the whole thing with the wiring harness. So what I'm going to do is take a pry tool, and underneath here, and in here we're just going to pry up. And I can pull the connector out. Just slide that out. Disconnect that, connect the new connector, and then just push this in. Just try to find where that retainer goes. Slide it in position and push it down. And that's the easiest way to do that, or if you need to use a tool, you can push a screwdriver in there or something. It's really hard to get underneath the bumper and try to grab that. It really doesn't work too well. I'm going to reattach this assembly to the bulb and socket. Slide that back in position. Now this side is going to slide in over here first, and then just lock it in place. And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.